how to fix Grammarly extension not working in browser. So of course, if you're using the browser extension, you'll be on your PC. So if you're on your PC, the very first thing that you need to do is verify your extension toggle. What you're going to do is, if you're on your PC, on the top right corner of your PC, you'll actually be able to see the Grammarly icon in the browser toolbar, and in there make sure that the check for writing suggestions on website is turned on that. So after doing that, try to re-authenticate. You can actually you can actually click on your extension tool, then you can try to log out and log back into your Grammarly account and see if that helped. If that did not help, then try to disable your conflicting extension, temporarily disable other spell checking for text editing browser extensions, and I'm pretty sure that will help you. But lastly, if none of that helped, then try to reinstall extension. You can remove your Grammarly extension from your browser extension settings, and then you can re-download from a web store, and I'm pretty sure that will help you fix that Grammarly extension not working in browser. So yeah, that is it. If you guys do have any further queries, then please let me know in the comment section down below.